Boss Cap, prime ng lahat. Prime era ng lahat. May tatalo ba sa team na to?
Wala.
Wala? As a manager? Oh.
Sarap i-handle yan.
O yun, no? Mike Pingris, we miss you, my friend. We love you, we cherish you. You're amazing. Amazing.
Idol, sabi ng anak ko, kawig mo raw si Derek White.
Oh. Basketball clinic, PBM Moro Club. Amazing. Uy. Wow. Wow! Amazing!
Okay, no?
Dol! Amazing! Dol, sir, sino gusto ng Ginebra jersey ng Helter Brand?
Ako.
Okay,
ako nag-PM sa'yo, Instagram.
Oh, yeah, let's go! Dito. Ilatag natin doon sa baba, ha? Bro, ito, Ginebra jersey ng Helter Brand. Saka may t-shirt ng Never Say Die. Collaboration ng The Good News by JJ Helter Brand. Latag mo doon. Tara, baba natin yan dito. Do work, boys. Crossover. Oop. Nice. Oop.
Shout out sa asawa ko.
Shout out sa asawa niya, Megan. Stay amazing.
Amazing.
Good choice of jersey. Ha?
Thank you.
Good choice. Oy boy, full print yan.
Yes, sir.
Idol.
Full print. Pure full print.
Sikat, si Gako.
Si Gako ang pinakasikat sa grupo namin.
Oo, siya nagdadala dito.
Yeah, Gax, may sinasabi.
Idol, sabi ng anak ko, kawig mo raw si Derek White.
Oh, enjoy ka tayo. Ay, wow, Animo Lasal, sir.
T-shirt mo to.
Yes, Animo Lasal, Green Archer. Ang magandang jersey dito na dala natin.
Gako dapat ang paper mo.
Wala ka lang. May dala ka? Ayan ang problema sa'yo, hindi ka nagdadala ng Lasal. Lasal ang pagawa mo. Doon ka nakilala eh. Gako.
Eh, daming...
Sa PBA, binangko ka lang. Sa Lasal, naglaro ka.
Paano papagawa eh, hindi nga nagawa lahat ng pinagawa. Dahil nga...
Tama, saan nakilala yung Gako?
Siyempre Lasal.
Oo. Sir, bestseller yung nabili mong jersey, sir. Bestseller po yan. Jay! Second bestseller. Yes, sir.
Nipo, jacket yan
May jersey ka na ba ng Lasal doon?
Jacket na yan ng Lasal Grabe oh. Grabe yung Lasal.
May proud moment as a Lasal yan.
Alumni.
Yes. Isa lang may pagmamalaki ko po.
Ang ganda pa naman ng jacket, pinirmahan mo lang ng
Isa lang may pagmamalaki ko. Graduate ako. With honor. Cum laude. Hindi. Dislister lang ako. Dislister.
Patayin ko na to.
Animo. Kahit isang beses. Pero Lasal siya.
Ano yan? Lasal by heart.
Lasal by heart. Clubs.
Tayo, ito joker ko yung nakikita ko dyan.
Animo. Si Animo.
You look like Derek White. Ay, Derek White.
Uy. Sino siya?
You look like Derek White. Yeah.
I miss long lost brother.
Derek White but with sickness.
Picture kayo. Okay,
Derek
game.
White na natipos.
Okay. Wow, shan. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Leonie.
Perma ng Helter ba na mas valuable?
May value.
Ibig sabihin niya certificate na yan, pwedeng pa-print. Massage.
Allowance.
Sinari lang ako ng station, nakakaya naman nakaiga ako.
Nagtatrabaho yan bukas, magtatrabaho bukas.
Siyempre.
pinawisan na yan, tatrabaho na yan.
Hindi mo papasabi pag pinawisan na.
You work hard,
Yeah.
you study hard, and you eat your vegetable. You know vegetable? It will make you grow stronger and taller. You know why I'm tall? You ask me why I'm tall?
Why?
Because I eat my vegetable.
Chicken ang gusto eh.
You eat vegetable. Okay? High five. Make sure, ha? You wanna go big? Eat vegetable. Pagka kumakain siya ng vegetable, pag-ilang siya. Pero gusto ko lumaki. I'm gonna eat it. Tapos kahit di masarap, kakainin niya. Thank you. There, no? Hey, you know why I'm tall? You ask me why I'm tall. You want to be tall also when you grow up? You want to go tall? You eat vegetable. Hiyain? Hiyain ka? Bawal yun.
No liloxy.
How about you? You want to go big and tall?
What's the secret?
What's the secret? You ask me what's the secret. You ask me. You wanna know how to get tall and big? You wanna go tall? You see I'm tall, right? You see? Look at your father. He's just right there.
Ask him about the secret.
Ask me what's the secret.
What's the secret?
Okay. Listen carefully, ah. And you do this, ah. You eat your vegetable. You know what's a vegetable? If your parents give you vegetable, you eat it. You finish the whole plate. And I promise you, you go stronger and taller, just like me. High five.
It's only vegetable.
Alright?
Signature ko.
Alright. Diyan mo yung mukha mo para bulaga.
Puyat ako dyan. Puyat.
Ayan, gaya mo yung mukha. Sabay yung kuha ko dyan. Oh?
Anong nari dito?
Dito. Ito.
Oh, ang galing ka dyan eh.
Alam niya. Mike Pingris, we miss you, my friend. We love you, we cherish you. You're amazing.
Amazing.
Thank you. What's your name? Luke. Alright, Luke.
Where?
I want you to meet Luke.
Where?
Luke.
Do you want to grow tall, Luke? You want to be 6'8", 6'9"? What's the secret, my friend?
You wanna ask me what's the secret? I'm 6'6", 6'7". Yes. You see? Oh, you're just right there, oh. No, your parents is small.
What's the secret? What's the secret?
Ask me what's the secret? The secret is eat your vegetable. You know what's a vegetable? Sometimes it doesn't taste good, but if you eat it, you will go stronger and taller. Alright?
Amazing.
You gonna eat it? Okay, promise?
Alright.
Pinky swear.
Oh, you have to do it now.
That's a promise, right?
Alright.
Amazing.
Guys, what's up? I just want to say good job. I see you guys out there working hard, and let's give our coaches a big round of applause, guys. I just want to make this short and sweet. Everyone knows, they're going to tell you to work hard, to practice every day, listen to your parents, to do good in school. All those things are very, very important. But for me, the number one thing is don't forget to pray. Always pray each and every day. Give up your goals to God and ask Him for His help and guidance. And you never know how far you can make it. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep it short, and I just want to say thank you guys for listening, and keep improving each and every day. And hopefully I can see you guys in the PBA or somewhere like that. Okay, thank you so much. God bless. Thank you, everyone.
Big hand to everyone.
Yeah.
Salamat at tinutulungan niyo ang mga bata. But guys, my advice is back to the sport, like basketball, with all your heart, mind. Who among you guys wants
PBA. All of these guys, as you can see them, they are all legends in Philippine basketball. Clap for them, come on! And of course, is also a PBA player. So we all listen to him, okay? Clap your hands. Alright? I told you a while ago, some of you, I told you a secret. Who among you, guys, I told the secret. 1, 2, alright. I will tell you guys the secret. On how to be a good basketball player. First, you're still young. You need to go tall first and strong. And you want to go tall and strong? Alright. The secret is, there you go. Eat your vegetables. Right? If you eat your vegetable, that will make your hormones big. What? And your muscle will go stronger every day with the help of the vegetable. Okay? So thank you so much for having us. On behalf of we're happy to be with you guys. We work like that, and we work hard to play basketball. Thank you. God bless. Always remember to stay
Amazing! Good job, coach. Amazing. It is a fulfilling day. So, nagpunta tayo doon sa shelter. Fulfilling. Yes. Tapos nag-cruise tayo. Fulfilling. Nag-basketball clinic tayo. Fulfilling again. I am fulfilled by today. It's tiring pero worth it. Yes. Worth it yung experience natin. Yes. We love this day. Mga bata, marami natutunan sa ating mga PBA legends.
One eternity later.
So, Jay, sabihin mo, it's game time.
It is game time.
Muskap, natulog ka lang dito sa Qatar, uwi ka na ulit?
Kumain lang ng shawarma.
Yun ang gusto niya. Shawarma na siya, nag-craving siya.
Nag-crave siya ng shawarma. Sabi, patanga ako ng Qatar.
Tapos pagkakain,
uwi na.
Ginugoogle niya yung stats ni Kako.
Kailan Birits daw. Kailan Birits.
Di ba merong highlight si Kako, pinost nyo?
Saan nyo nakita yun?
Hirap kayo mahanap na.
Career game played 124 minutes 8 ba?
Sino kami sa bilis ka pala per game.
8 pala to.
Wala ba kayo mga pag-usapan mo? Hindi ako.
Sila JJ nag-research, Gago, hindi ako.
Hindi lang alis na mamaya.
Si JJ nag-research.
Assist.
Inutusan lang ako, bro. Wala ako. Si JJ nag-research.
Hindi, may 2.7, mataas yan.
Alam mo, sino nag-utos?
Oh wow, ito ang dugout. Ganito ang dugout. Ha?
Dugout? Ano mo naman, di ba? Hindi mo dugout.
Meron pa ba?
Dito tayo.
Meron tayo. Pwede ka na.
Amazing, oh. Ganda.
Ganda rin, no? Not bad, ha? Thank you, Naji Sport.
Naji Sports.
Naji Sports ba yan?
Naji Sports. Para makakatulog tayo dito sa ano natin, dagat.
Ito ang dugout. Ay, bata ako din.
Boss yan, boss yan. Boss! Boss! Alam niya.
Wala kang PT ngayon.
Wala.
Hindi ka sanay. Namimiss mo si RC? Nanonood si RC. Sabi mo namimiss mo siya.
Magaling yun eh. Di ba?
Magaling ba yun na PT? Inebra na ngayon. Hindi mo na yung Pure Foods.
Over na feature siya, di ba?
Mas malaki offer sa kanya.
Para siyang si Gary Vitti ng Lakers.
Amazing!
Hi!
Amazing ball!
Hello!
Amazing! You want the Nebra jersey? You want the jersey? Nebra? You tell mommy.
Tatanungin ko muna yung dati.
Nebra, Nebra.
Anong team?
Ano ma'am, t-shirt? Nebra t-shirt, Nebra jersey, nandiyan. Ito po yung meter. Pare-pares lang po, 100 lang po. Hello po, hello! Hello po! Hello po! Kumusta po? Amazing! Hello po, hello! Amazing! Amazing! Hinebra po. Hinebra po kayo. May Hinebra jersey. Jay, firma mo na. Ang gusto nyo po ng Hinebra jersey para kay tatay. Kuha lang po kayo, kuha po kayo isa. Pwede po t-shirt din. Pili po kayo dyan.
Boss! Amazing ang PBA Motocross!
Amazing! Amazing! Pakalupit! Thank you for having us, ma'am.
Thank you for coming.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, amazing. Senator ba to?
Yes po.
Oh, hindi na kayo matuloy dito.
Tuloy po yan, sir.
Kasi, di ba nag-march kayo?
Masaya po kami nandito.
Di ba nag-march kayo tapos minumove nyo sa April kasi Ramadan?
Yes, super time po. Sakto naman yung time, sakto. Pirmahan mo. Pirmahan mo si ma'am. Si ma'am. Kukuha ng jersey.
Ano?
Small. Hanapin mo small.
A few moments later.
Grabe yung cut ng muscle mo sa'yo. Ha?
Pinlex eh.
Ha? Parang hindi ka nag-retire eh. Yung katawan. No? Hindi mo kami napapahanga eh. Kung paano no? Pwede ba itong no? Pwede i-add to sa top 60? Oo. Kasama mo?
Final sa MVP yan eh.
What's up? Sir, amazing ko. Amazing ko, sir. Alurico. Amazing. Amazing! Ay, mga amazing po. Sir, amazing po.
Amazing.
Lagi ako nanonood ng vlog.
Amazing, sir.
Idol KG. KG.
Jay, seryoso daw sila, Jay.
Okay lang. Tayo hindi.
Kilala kita.
Magpapawisan na.
Kilala kita pag may challenge. So, alabas yung spirit mo. Lalo na to. Mukha ba nagpapatalo to? Galito sa salitang talo.
Once a year lang ako naglalaro kita. Bubuhos ko lahat.
Alright. Alam mo, Jay, isa lang masasabi ko sa'yo. Itong lineup natin, lahat prime. Wala tatalo dito. Grabe, tingnan mo ha. Explain ko sa inyo mga kamazing. Meron tayong versatile scorer. Joseph Pio, lumulutang sa ere. Brusco, pang physicality. Gako Nantix. May pagmamalaki ko to sa physicality, di ba?
Of course.
The fast MVP, JJ Helderbrand, ang point guard. Oh. Di ba? Slam dunking, KG Canaleta. Oh.
Lapitan mo.
Tingnan mo. Oh. Prime mo.
Anong araw anong oras ni gabi na
Peter John Simon, super sub. Sabi nung JJ Helderbrand, pinakamahirap niya na depensahan. Defensive point guard yan. Tapos sinabihan ka na ikaw ang nahirapan siyang depensahan.
Most underrated player.
Tama? Okay. Agree ka? Si Ulo ba? Ulo. Rani Del Dio Campo. Nani? Ay, yan si Pana. Yan si Dio Campo, bumaba sa mundo ng mga tao para hanapin ang mga makakapats niya. Ang pambansang siko, pambansang gilas Pilipinas natin. Yes. Alright, top of the food chain sa basketball industry.
Top of the food chain?
Ha? Top 50 from PBA Moto Club. Pasok ka sa top 50 para sa
Thank you.
Para sa puso namin, top 50 ka.
Sir,
Alright.
lahat yan.
Cyrus Baguio. Of course, si Cyrus Baguio. Versatile scorer din. Unstoppable nung prime niya. Ay! 4 times MVP! Oh? Boss Cap, sinasabi ko kasi, itong lineup na to, ito, manager ng Pure Foods. Boss Cap, prime ng lahat. Prime ng prime era ng lahat. May tatalo ba sa team na to?
Wala.
Wala? As a manager? Oh.
Sarap i-handle yan.
O yun, no?
Ito.
Boss, maximum ako.
Boss Cap, sino muna yung trade mo? Ay, ngayon ako mag-apologize kay Coach Tim. Coach Tim, sorry kung hindi ako naging seryoso nung BMX days natin, kaya tinrain mo ako.
Kahit na magkanda.
If may chance, makakabalik ako sa panahon na yun, magsiseryoso ako, babawi ako sa'yo.
Trade ka pa rin.
Ano?
Hindi mo kaya eh. Wala sa personality mo.
Maging seryoso? Alright, mga amazing. Seryoso daw yung kalaban namin. Kami, seryoso din naman.